need to be on the other side of this in order to get my van out today. Will it be cleared? This is the little road I live down. And there's Big Blue at the end of it. And by the way, my power is out when I left about 15 minutes ago. Only got through a little bit later because one lane was cleared on one of the roads. Only to discover when I got to my own road, Sunrise Road, that the power lines were down and it was closed off. There was a tree across and power lines in a couple places. So we walked in. Fortunately, a couple hours later, someone, I guess BC Hydro, propped up the wires, took the trees out, propped up the wires so we could actually drive in. But I had to park my car a kilometer away in order to get home. And I get down on my road and look at this. The line that's down, I'm suspecting it's cable or a support line or something, I'm not totally sure. Oh, and here's John clearing out debris already, and you see my van in the background. There it is. There's a lot of talk about van living and where to go to the bathroom and how to do that. Anyway, I have experience with going to the bathroom in the outdoors, just at my house. Hi, kitty. Anyways, I'm going to show you where I do it. I'm not going to actually do it. I'll save you that. I'll just tell you that I've done this. I'm going to be doing it this morning because my power is out. And I've done it in, 8 inches of snow, which has been very interesting. Actually, quite exhilarating. Hey, kitty. Here, turn around, kitty. Show your face. Over here. There you go. There you go. Tassin. Anyway, here we go. Let me show you where I will be doing my do. Ouch. Pokies. Anyway, you can see me. This is where I'll be digging a hole and doing what I do. So if I'm van living, it's not that big of a deal. I do it at home. Here we go. It's scrambled eggs and veggies on my wood stove during this power outage. We've been out of power for 12 hours now. No, 24 hours. It was 11 o'clock yesterday morning that the power went out. No sign of it coming back on, but many people are out of power in the Cowichan Valley and the whole island, that my understanding is. So, made toast and a omelette. No, not omelette. Scrambled eggs. That's what it would be. And my water for tea. I can't forget that part. Gonna make some tea.